Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring 10 plants you can grow for free from kitchen scraps. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So, let's get started. Number 10. Green onions. Green onions are one of the easiest kitchen scraps to regrow and are often the first plant beginners succeed with. Because the white base already contains active growing tissue, it can quickly regenerate new shoots with minimal effort, making it perfect for continuous harvesting. To regrow green onions, save about 2 to 3 inches of the white root base after cutting off the tops for cooking. Place the base upright in a glass or jar with just enough water to submerge the roots while keeping the upper portion exposed. Position it near a sunny windowsill with bright, indirect light, and change the water every 1 to 2 days to prevent rot and keep growth strong. Within just a few days, fresh green shoots will begin emerging from the center. Once they grow to about 4 to 6 inches tall, you can start harvesting them directly from water or transplant them into soil for stronger growth and repeated long-term harvests. Number 9. Garlic. Garlic is a kitchen essential known for its strong aroma and flavor, and it's also incredibly easy to grow from scraps. Each clove functions as a self-contained plant, meaning one bulb can produce multiple new garlic plants. To regrow garlic, select a firm clove from a healthy bulb and keep the papery skin intact. Plant it about 1 to 2 inches deep in loose, well-draining soil, with the pointed end facing upward. Water lightly to keep the soil slightly moist, but never soggy, and place it in a sunny location where it can receive steady light. Over the following weeks, green shoots will emerge. As the plant grows, continue light watering and avoid overwatering. After several months, when the leaves begin to yellow and fall over, it signals that the underground bulb has matured and is ready for harvest. Number 8. Lettuce. Lettuce is one of the fastest growing leafy greens and is especially beginner-friendly because it can regrow from its base in just a few days. To regrow lettuce, cut off the bottom 2 to 3 inches of a lettuce head and place the base in a shallow dish with just enough water to cover the stump. Set it in a bright location with indirect sunlight and change the water daily to keep it fresh and prevent rot. Within a few days, small new leaves will begin forming from the center. As the plant continues growing, you can harvest outer leaves gradually while allowing the center to keep producing. While it may not always regrow into a full head, it can still provide multiple harvests before slowing down. Number 7. Celery. Celery is a kitchen staple often used in soups, stews, and salads, and it's surprisingly easy to regrow from its base. What is usually discarded can quickly become a productive plant. To regrow celery, cut off about 2 to 3 inches from the base and place it in a shallow dish of water, just enough to cover the bottom. Keep it in a bright area with indirect sunlight and change the water every couple of days to prevent rot. Within about a week, small green leaves will begin sprouting from the center, and tiny roots may start forming underneath. Once a healthy root system develops, transplant the base into soil. Keep it evenly watered and in good light, and it will continue growing into a full celery plant you can harvest repeatedly. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes grow from slips, which are shoots that sprout from a mature tuber. This makes them a fun and rewarding plant to grow from kitchen scraps. To begin, suspend a whole sweet potato over a jar of water using toothpicks so that the bottom half is submerged. Place it in a warm, bright location and wait a few weeks for shoots to form on top. When the shoots reach about 4 to 6 inches, gently twist them off and place them in water until roots develop. Once the roots are strong, transplant them into loose, well-draining soil with plenty of space. Keep the soil consistently moist and provide full sun. Each slip will grow into a new plant capable of producing multiple sweet potatoes, while the leaves themselves can also be harvested as edible greens. Number 5. Potatoes. Potatoes are one of the most widely consumed crops in the world, and they are very easy to regrow from sprouted kitchen potatoes, turning pantry leftovers into a productive plant. Start with a potato that has visible eyes or sprouts. Cut it into sections, making sure each piece contains at least one eye. Let the cut pieces dry for about 24 hours to reduce the risk of rot. Plant each piece about 4 inches deep in loose, well-draining soil with sprouts facing upward. Water lightly and maintain even moisture as the plant grows. As it develops, gradually mound soil around the base in a process called hilling, which encourages more tubers to form underground. When the plant's leaves begin to die back, it is a sign that the potatoes are ready for harvest. Number 4. Basil. Basil is a popular kitchen herb known for its sweet, aromatic leaves and its ability to grow quickly from cuttings, respond well to trimming, and be easily multiplied from a single healthy stem. Take a 4 to 6 inch stem from a healthy basil plant and remove the leaves from the lower half. Place the cutting in a glass of water and set it in a warm location with bright, indirect sunlight. Within 1 to 2 weeks, small white roots will begin forming along the stem. Once these roots reach about 1 to 2 inches, transplant the cutting into soil. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, and ensure the plant receives plenty of light. Regularly pinch off the top leaves to encourage bushier growth and prevent flowering, which can reduce leaf production. Number 3. Mint. Mint is one of the fastest and easiest herbs to regrow, known for its refreshing flavor and aggressive growth habit, which makes it both rewarding and a little bit uncontrollable if not managed properly. Take a 4 to 6 inch cutting, remove the lower leaves, and place it in a glass of water. Roots will begin forming within just a few days, and within 1 to 2 weeks, they will be ready for planting. Transfer the cutting into a pot with well-draining soil and keep it lightly watered whenever the top layer feels dry. Place it in a sunny or partially shaded area. Regular trimming encourages fuller, bushier growth. Because mint spreads so aggressively, it is best grown in containers to prevent it from overtaking your garden. Number 2. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that can be regrown from its crown, turning kitchen waste into a long-term plant project. It's a slow process, but it's also one of the most satisfying kitchen scrap experiments. Twist off the leafy crown and remove any remaining fruit flesh from the base. Let it dry for 1 to 2 days so the cut end can callus over. Plant it in sandy, well-draining soil and place it in a warm, sunny location. Water lightly, keeping the soil just slightly moist but never soggy. The plant will first focus on root development and leaf growth before maturing. While it can take up to 2 years or more to produce fruit, it becomes a hardy and attractive tropical plant, suitable for indoor or outdoor growing. Number 1. Tomatoes from seeds. Tomatoes are one of the most rewarding plants to grow from kitchen scraps, because even a few seeds can produce a highly productive fruiting plant. In many home gardens, a single healthy tomato plant can keep producing fruit throughout an entire growing season, making it a favorite for beginners who want fast results and visible progress. Scoop seeds from a fully ripe tomato and soak them in water for about 24 hours to remove the gel coating. Rinse and dry them on a paper towel. Once dry, plant them in small pots filled with moist, well-draining soil, and place them in a warm, sunny area. As seedlings grow, transplant them into larger pots or directly into garden beds where they have space to spread. Keep soil consistently moist and ensure plenty of sunlight each day. You can also grow tomatoes from healthy side shoots, suckers, which often produce faster and identical clones of the parent plant. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the 10 plants you can grow for free from kitchen scraps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!